জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Listen, Jasmine, I'm warning you. I'm repeatedly asking you not to lie. How can you utter a barefaced lie even after that? Aren't you ashamed to lie shamelessly? Are you insane?
Dripto, please. Dripto, please calm down, please. You shouldn't harm yourself by worrying about someone else. Dripto, calm down. Please calm down a
And
bit.
how can I calm down? How can I? Tell me, can't you see the situation? You can see what she's up to. Is it still possible to remain calm?
Exactly. She was so arrogant last night, and she's backing out when it's time to visit the doctor. It's very natural for Dripto to react in such a manner. Now she's saying she can't step outside. Disgusting. So how can we see the doctor now? Nayan, only you can provide us with a way out. Tell us.
Jasmine has played it well. Nayan was planning to make her consult a doctor. She has poured cold water over it. Her hands are tied now.
Gee, there is a way.
What is it?
If Jasmine is unable to visit the doctor, then the doctor will pay her a visit to examine her. Let it happen according to her wishes.
Oh no. Jasmine put up the act in order to avoid the consultation with the doctor. Nayan foiled her entire scheme. Nayan, why are you in such a hurry? It seems you have a greater urge than her. What's the problem with visiting the doctor after a few days?
You are asking me two questions at the same time. Let me answer them one by one. The liar does not care after speaking a lie. However, the person who has been harmed by the lie will undoubtedly be eager to learn the truth. And you are asking about the problem, right? Of course there's a problem. A big problem. All of you noticed how Jasmine was reacting when Dripto tore away her prescribed medicines list, right? Don't you all remember? She was about to call her father from the police station as she couldn't receive her medication. Since she isn't receiving any medication after this incident, she must visit a doctor, Mother Sanjukta. Jeet?
Yes, what is it?
Jeet, you compiled the names of the doctors, am I right?
Yes.
Call the most renowned doctor from that list who will be willing to examine Jasmine at our residence. Please make the call, Jeet. Please make it soon.
All right.
Oh no. What will become of it now? Jasmine seems to be under quite a bit of pressure. But if she gets exposed, it will pose a threat to me too. I have to save her. I must prevent the doctor from examining her at all costs.
হোক না যতই কপাল পোড়া জনম দুঃখিনী, পরের ভালো করতে চলে সে ত্রিনয়নী। যা কেউ দেখে না তাই দেখে সে, চোখের জলের ভাঙলো বুঝি বাঁধ। কেউ বলে এ অভিশাপ আর কেউ বলে রে আশীর্বাদ, কেউ বলে রে আশীর্বাদ। অভিশাপ আর আশীর্বাদে দোলায় দুলুনি, পরের ভালো করতে চলে সে ত্রিনয়নী। আঘাত সয়ে দু চোখ ভরা কান্না বয়ে ছুটছে মেয়ে কাঁপছে ভয়ে পরের তরে চোখে যে তার মায়া
Dear Lotus, I'm getting scared. Please aid me, Lotus. Please make sure that today Jasmine's fraud gets exposed in front of the doctor. Lotus, watch over us so that she can't hurt Tripto anymore. Please watch over us. Please watch over us. I will spread the warmth of your lamp all over the house. Lotus, let the sinful shadows that are lurking around Drupto and the rest of the family disappear. Lotus, shower your grace. Shower us with your grace. Don't let Drupto suffer anymore. Please don't let him suffer anymore. Who's it? Who's there?
It's me. It's me, Jasmine. Why did you enter my room? Answer me, why did you enter my room? Why have you entered my room with incense, having such an intense scent? Don't you know that pregnant mothers can't tolerate such intense scent? Don't you have an idea? In fact, you know it. You know everything. You have intentionally entered my room. You want to harm my child, don't you? I won't allow it. I won't allow anyone harm my child, okay? However hard you try, Nayan, you won't be able to do anything.
Jasmine. Jasmine, you're misunderstanding me. I didn't enter your room with any objectives. Since I can't see, I entered your room by mistake while spreading the warmth of the lamp to all the rooms.
Keep quiet. Don't say a word. You have come here intentionally, I know that.
What is this? Nayan, what's the matter? Jasmine, why are you being so rude to Nayan? How dare you, Jasmine?
How dare I? You haven't seen any of it. Neither you nor Nayan has any idea about how daring I can be if someone wishes to harm my child. What did you think? That I don't understand anything? I am not being served my meals in my room. Nayan entered my room with an odorous incense and I'm being made to climb the stairs. You people are doing this intentionally.
No, Jasmine, you are.
Listen up, Nayan. If you try to harm my baby in any way, I am not going to leave you. I will not.
Jasmine! Jasmine!
Nayan, what's the matter? Are you having visions? Huh? Talk to me, Nayan. What are you seeing? Please tell me.
Oh, Lotus Vishalakshi, what did I just observe? Oh, what did I just see?
Look, Nayan, don't get scared. Just tell me. What did you see in it? Come on, tell me, please.
Friend? Where are you, my friend?
Here I am.
Take me to the room this instant. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well at all. Take me to the room.
Nayan, I'm coming along. Come.
No, you don't have to come with me. I can go by myself.
Come here.
Friend.
What just happened, Aunt? What made Nayan so scared? She didn't even let me accompany her. I'm feeling quite worried, Aunt. I'll do one thing. I'm really worried. I'll go and see her.
Deepu,
once.
don't. Since Nayan is refusing to speak up, let it be for now, Deepu. Don't go right now. Come along with me instead.
She's right. You should come with us.
What vision did Nayan have? Did she foresee my plans? No. I can't rest easy about it. I have to know it. I must know what Nayan saw in her vision. When the doctor arranged by you confirms that I'm pregnant, then you will have to get me married to Dripto. You'll obviously have to divorce him before that.
What happened, my friend? Are you feeling ill? Huh? What did you see? Why are you behaving like this? By any chance did you have a vision? Was it unpleasant? You can talk to me. Please tell me, why are you so mum about it?
I must learn about Nayan's vision.
I saw Jasmine, my friend. I saw Jasmine.
Me? Nayan saw me in her vision.
I saw that Jasmine was getting married.
What are you saying?
Yes, my friend. I saw it. Yes, my friend. I saw. I won't be able to prevent the marriage between Tripta and Jasmine. Why else would I have such a vision? Tell me. Why did I have such a vision? Just why? Why?
Oof. Thank Lord. What a relief. Nayan didn't see anything that could endanger me. I have nothing to fear anymore.
Don't get scared, my friend. I can assure you that Dripto will never get married to Chowmeet. You were Dripto's wife and you will remain so.
Nayan, where are you?
Jeet is calling for you. If he sees you crying, that will lead to an arrow of questions. Yes, that's good. Wipe your tears. Come along. Let me take you to Jeet. Come.
I have a feeling that the play will proceed according to my rules. No one can get into my way. No one. Not even Nayan can stop me now.
Nayan, Rangana, Aunt Pratima, where are you all?
Hey, Jeet, what's the matter?
Wait a minute. There's Nayan. Nayan, I've almost called all the doctors compiled in the list, but since all of them are reputed, they aren't willing to pay a visit to the house. But I got hold of someone by the end.
You did?
Yes. Dr. Bakshi works at a nursing home nearby our house. He has agreed to come.
That's a relief. This will finally expose Jasmine's deception. You're right, Aunt Pratima. Chowmin will be exposed this time. When the doctor examines her and verifies that she is not pregnant, that will serve her right. I shall see her then.
You don't have to do anything. She dared to slander Deepu. She'll be thrown out of the house by mother herself.
No, Aunt Pratima. I'll file a defamation suit against her. I'll drag her to the court.
Hey, what will we do now? Jasmine will get exposed if the doctor examines her.
I'm thinking about it.
Hey, wait. Let me inform Deepu, all right?
Yes, that's better, Aunt. You go. I'll take my friend to Chowmin's room. I must have a look at her crushed face. Come, my friend.
I'll be back. Hey, Vicky. Do something. Jasmine is going to get exposed.
Sanjukta, what should I do? I can't think of anything that can be done in such a situation.
What's the name of the doctor that Jeet spoke about? Dr. Bakshi, right?
Yeah, that's what he said, Dr. Bakshi.
Hey, I know him. I know him.
You know him?
Yes, of course I know him. He's a member of our morning walk club. Wait a minute. I have his contact number. Let me call him. Is it Dr. Bakshi? This is Sanjukta Basu speaking. Can you recognize me? Yes. By the way, you had an appointment at our house, right? No, you don't have to come anymore. Actually, what I mean to say is that the matter has been resolved. Yes, okay, all right. Thank you very much. See you later. Okay. Jasmine is saved. Dr. Bakshi isn't coming.
Oh, thank the Lord.
I just saved Jasmine, right? What's the matter, Jeet?
Yes?
The doctor should have arrived by now.
I can't understand anything, Aunt Pratima. When I called him, he stated that he had a surgery, but he told me that he would pay a visit before that.
Then?
I don't know why he still isn't here.
And you won't be able to comprehend it. You may argue with me, but you're not quite intelligent enough to comprehend my plans, Jeet. He won't come.
Hey, Jeet, did the doctor get stuck somewhere?
How shall I know, Rangana? We both are stuck in the same place. Dr. Bakshi has a reputation for being quite responsible. I can't believe he just left us hanging.
Instead of discussing it, why don't you make a call to the doctor? Call him, Jeet.
Yes. I'll call him right away, Nayan. It didn't even occur to me.
It's raining.
Hello, is this Dr. Bakshi?
No, I'm his PA speaking. What did you call for?
PA. Listen, sir, Dr. Bakshi assured that he would visit the Bose residence. But he hasn't reached here yet. That's why I'm calling.
But he is in the OT right now.
What did you say? How can he be in the OT? He told us that he would pay us a visit before doing the
Yes.
surgery.
Sorry, I don't have any information about it. Can you do a thing? Please call back later.
Please listen to me. Hello.
What did he say?
Jeet, what happened? What did he say? Is the doctor already in the OT?
Yes. Dripto, what is happening? I mean, doctor assured us to pay a visit and then went back to his words. Strange.
What is the meaning of this? Huh? Are you toying with me?
Chowmin, behave yourself, okay? Who are you talking to? Mind your language.
I'm speaking the truth. All of you have conspired against me and prevented the doctor from reaching here. And now you're pretending to lament in front of me, right? Listen, I have got the gist of everything. It's a scheme against me. I'm so ill that I can't even stand properly. On top of that, my prescription has been ripped apart. And now you want me to believe that the doctor won't arrive, right? You are just pretending to be Nobel in front of me, right? Listen up. Nayan, I'm speaking to you. You assured me of a doctor's appointment at the residence since I could not have medication. But nothing happened. At first, I was accused by all of you that I was told that I wasn't ready to consult a doctor. As soon as I gave my consent, you all realized that I was not lying, am I right? Instead of letting me consult a doctor, all of you are trying to harm my unborn child. Are you even a human?